Okay. What do we got? I got less than an hour. Less than an hour. Okay. That's all right. Cool. Woo! That coffee hit. Oh no, what have you done? Oliver. I have not expanded these yet. That's fine. I don't want to sit in there. Now it's ticket. Sweet time to rebuild. All right. That's fine. Okay, before I sign out, though, I want to make sure that those actually exist. Of course they don't. Ah! This has to be multi-step, though. We need the first half. To create the second half. And I want to let's see what happens. We sign in with a normal, yeah, let's use that. Perfect. Yeah. It's not configured. Yes. Well, I mean, we should probably. That's fine. So that's non-admin user shows lack of terms. This is correct. hold on, because we didn't exactly. Oh, well, I mean, I guess we can't get redirected. It can't, because it can't pull the redirect URI. You know what? I'm not dealing with it now. Why? I just keep missing it. Excuse me. We should now see segmented completely. That tells us how to do things. Yep. Oh, come on. Yeah, at some point we'll make this cuter. At some point. I think we already have headless delivery. Object admin first. Everything. This. Headless. For admin site. Bro, is there even... What? Whatever. Yo, do we have to list these independently like that too? Like if they're all everything? Should be a little bit more economic with our categorization here. I think I already did notification. Yes, I did. All right, save. Right. Ha-ha! Platform setup applied. Once this live for instance, application settings are. Alright, so when I click install, we should get a bunch of new scopes. What is going on? Whatever. I knew it. Not so bad, though. We're getting closer. Whatever. Whatever. Yep. Mm-hmm. I didn't have this issue before. Are the let's confirm that they have it. Nope. No, the original flow definitely created those on its own. Right. I don't know that that is true. That could be true. That could be true. Yeah, I told you. Mm-hmm. Right. Right. Yeah, because we had the folder issue earlier where nothing was showing up in the control panel. No, 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 no. I don't want to have to do that. No, 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 no. Oh, my F. I should have been more specific. Assuming we have the permissions to We have object permissions, don't we? Don't we? We do, right? Object address, everything. Yes. Uh, I wonder if now that it's partially configured that no, perfect, okay. That is expected for that user. The create account still angers me. We'll be fine. You are no longer securing a session, buddy. We canceled that. Oh, did I do it on high? I did it on high. Oh, that was a mistake. It's gonna take 30 years to do. Point, yeah. Germanglish. English. Deutschlish. Oh, hey, wow, it timed out. Apparently, I have a message. What is with that headline, bro? Be real. I saw this message. Whatever. Hey, Yippity's back. Why? Windows, why do you do this, bro? Oh, I need to get a new Mac Mini. We're gonna have to break this code out eventually. Eventually, I believe. And now I feel like I might make it harder. There's just not a lot in here, to be honest. That's a flag. Honey, did you eat? Make sure you clean up. Admin. Yes. Right. Okay. Cool. Hold on. Hang on. Run. This is where we are. Yes. Yes, it is. Uh. Okay. Cool. We got someone, I believe. Let's retry. Retry yet. Clearly some success, but not communicated to. Okay. Let's see if the objects are actually created. Oh, finally. Ah! Let's go. Yep. Dude, this is gold. This is gold. Export to definitions and permissions. Very cool. I'm curious what that looks like. Yeah, exactly what I thought it would look like. Great. All right. Dude, this is beautiful. Comment and page builder. That's going to be fire in the future. I am ecstatic. Installation succeeded completely. Folder created. Objects. Yep. I confirmed that. I can see them. The final 403 is expected until the new generated scopes are added to the admin area. Right. And it shouldn't be that hard. It's like a patch on the existing. What happens if we rerun at this step? I'm glad we finally fixed that. Being able to see these here. Did you change this again, bro? Maybe not. Okay. Okay. We did that. That's next. And that's fine. We're just gonna pretend to do it and see. Okay, same thing. Cool. I'm gonna trust that it does that right. You know what? No, I'm not gonna trust it. I mean, it should just be adding. Oh, I don't want to wait for it though. I'm so impatient. I wonder if I just delete the objects. Whatever. Let's just do it. I'll test it on a fresh instance if I have to. Yeah, there we go. Eins, zwei, drei, vier. Dude. 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 Boom. Let's give it the logs. There was an issue with the where guests had to have access to that. Uh, that's okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Tell me why we are trying to get rolls at this point. I think we're trying to do permission graph. Yep. Oh, right. Dude. Ah, I'm excited. I'm excited. No sites are available except for the site we're on. Oh, look at that. Site setup required. No, maybe that was always there. Maybe that was always there. Anyway. Hang on. Do not go bananin. I don't want to do anything else. I don't even think I can do anything else right now. We're kind of blocked out. We should be able to see sites. Okay, we got over. Can't create sites though. Switch application. Nope, 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 nope. Sign out. Sign out. Sign in. Oh, you know what? That kind of makes sense, right? We don't want them to use this client. Okay, whatever. Right. Wait. Do I have the current version I'm using? I wonder if with the admin permissions we can configure the login client automatically. That would be ideal. Oh, I was already. Mhm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I had to remove that then. That's fine. Okay, so the answer to that's probably no, which is a little upsetting. Yep. I assume the answer to that's no. Almost 100% positive that's no. Which is going to pain me. But stop. I don't believe it. I'm skeptical. For the current admin token, KDXP can create a separate KDXP runtime OAuth client for ordinary users through live version mode. OAuth application service supports creating the client with grant types, redirecting routines, profile scopes, and other settings. caveats. This is a JSON WS service call, not a standard headless REST endpoint. In real life build, KDXP list thing, capture, generate, store. I mean, that's fine. I don't see an issue with that. That's actually what did we? I don't think I ever. I don't care. Let's keep going. Drive forward. All right. Okay, Don. KDXP should create the second client. Fully configure it as part of init. Admin sans perhaps setting default user groups or something. Did I miss something? What? Stop calling me, bro. I wonder how long it's going to take. I'm not using hide I'm not doing that again. Oh, I'm so excited. We're so close. The fact that the objects are showing now makes it very, very legit. That version, I think, is literally just. These are show widget and page builder. We have to take a look at some of these. I feel like some of these are still conflated with conflating instance with instance site. whatever. You're still going. Let's take a look. App version. Show what widget? Why would that even need to be exposed? Oh. Mhm. Mhm. Okay, that makes sense to me. Configuration. App configuration, right. Site ID of the app key displaying whether the app's enabled, whether it's discoverable. Deep link for the app. Yep. What did that? Customer else gave me. Yep. Allow deep links. Okay, cool. That is all legitimate. Why do we need both app and figure out? I'll tango with Jeopardy on that one. Enable tougher schema version install runtime version. Default discoverable, and this is the instance wide config. Wow, you are still going, brother. Assassino cappuccino. We got little Stimmy McStimmington over there. All right, I'm gonna have to call it soon. Got some appointments, but this is pretty good. A lot of the other stuff I already have working behind the scenes, creating pages, creating site content. It's all working on the builder. It actually visibly assemble the pages inside of the app, which is cool. I just had to reformat all the setup and login stuff because it was messy, and I'm trying to go to production this week. So hopefully Jippity finishes up here so that we can square this away, create the normal user of a client, and start testing things as a normal user. Normal user for KDXP defaults should be able to browse sites minimally, sites and apps, and create their own site/app. And that should be the crux of it. And when they visit a site that they own, they should have access to the builder. This thing's really going. It's really going. I might cut the feed here. I don't know how much longer this is going to take. This is really the last piece before we regain access as a normal user and are able to do things. I'll give it a few more minutes here. I don't want to commit yet. I want to make sure that the second auth client is properly configured and working before we do that. But this still scares me. Oh yeah, it's gonna take an eternity. I did use Medium, yeah, I did. I use Medium for planning. It's not intended. Come on, Alvin. You know what I haven't tested in a while? Android. I don't know that. You know, that's another. Oh, we don't want to overload. I wonder, because as far as I can tell, everything is configured. But we are adding configuration steps, so this eventually. Wow, it is really going bananas. In all fairness, I don't think we use any JSON WS calls in the existing lifer adapter. I don't think. So it's new work for Jippity to wrap its head around. I don't. Should I think my appointment's like in 5 minutes? Sure is. All right, well, I gotta go. Maybe by the time I come back, Jupiter will be done with its planning.